What's up everybody, Tony here with High Tech Check, and today we're going to be taking a look at a case and some snap accessories for the iPhone 14 Pro Max made by Moft. Now these accessories and more can be found on their website, and I will be putting a link to their website as well as some links to these accessories in case you guys want to purchase them yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews for you guys. Now these particular accessories here will work with iPhone 12, iPhone 13, and iPhone 14 because they do have the MagSafe technology built in, and all these snap accessories work with MagSafe. So here we have the Moft snap phone case. It is made of a nice hard back that does have MagSafe technology built in, and it's surrounded by a nice firm rubbery edge. As you can see, the MagSafe inside. Go ahead and put our phone into the case. Alright, so there is the phone inside the case. Now I do have a tempered glass screen protector on my phone as well, and as you can see, it does work very well with this case. If we look at the side here, it does have some raised edges to protect your screen, which is nice. We also have our separated volume buttons here, our cutout for the mute button. We have our power button on the side. On the bottom, we have our cutouts for our charging, microphone, and speaker. And on the back, we have that nice, cool looking gray. And we have a nice raised edge around our camera lenses for the protection there. The case is nice and grippy in the hand, so you don't have to worry about it slipping out. Buttons are easily accessible, and they are nice and clicky. And then if you happen to have some MagSafe accessories like this little MagSafe power bank, just clip it onto the back, charges, and it holds in place really well. And then you can also use it with regular wireless chargers that don't have MagSafe as well. It also has self-healing for light scratches as well. It's got that kind of rubbery material, so if it does get lightly scratched, it should heal itself as well. And I'm going to give this case a thumbs up. Alright, here we have the Moft flash wallet and stand combo. Alright, so here we have the wallet stand. It is pretty thin. It looks like it is covered in a leather material, and these also do come in different colors if you don't like the blue, which I do like the blue. It's pretty nice looking. Here we have a little card holder. All you need to do is take your card, slide it in here, slides in really nice, and it's not going to just fall out. So that's pretty nice as well. On the back here, we have our little MagSafe magnet, and then if we open it up, it's covered in this kind of smooth silicone material, which is nice. It's got its metal hinge, and it stays at whichever angle you put it at, which is nice. And then here we have a little window to which we can see the card that we put in here. So if you had your ID or something, you wouldn't need to take it out. You could just kind of see it through the window. And if you want to get your card out, you just simply slide it up from the inside here. Very nice. So then all we need to do is take our phone, just clip this on the back, just like that. It's not going anywhere, it's on there pretty good, and then we can simply open it up like a little stand, use it in portrait, or we can even use it in landscape mode, which is pretty nice. Again, you can use it at other angles. If you want it more angled towards your face, you can do that as well. And again, to get your card out, you can kind of just slide it up through the top and then take out your card. And again, it's on there pretty good. You don't have to worry about it falling off, even if you do put it in your pocket. And it is also very rigid, so you don't have to worry about this bending at all. And if you're wondering if this will work with wireless charging, it won't. So you will have to take this off if you want to wirelessly charge, but again, it comes off very easily. And then here we have the Moft Snap. It's a phone stand and grip. So here is the Snap. It is kind of like a little puck. It is covered again in kind of like a leathery material. As you can see, it is pretty thin as well. It does have a really strong magnet on the underside here, and it simply just unfolds just like that. So you can slip your fingers in here to hold your phone so it doesn't fall, or you can kind of make like a little makeshift stand in case you want to stand your phone up in portrait mode. You can do that as well. And then it also sticks on the back with the MagSafe magnet, just like this. And then, like I said before, you can unfold it a little bit and then put your fingers through the bottom here to hold onto your phone. so you don't have to worry about it falling, which is nice. Then again, you can use this as kind of like a little stand to stand your phone up in landscape so you can watch some shows or something like that. You can also use it in portrait mode, just like that if you wanted to as well. Maybe you have like a Zoom call or a meeting or something like that. And you can also take this off and put it in a lower orientation. You just kind of rotate it 90 degrees, and then you can use it in landscape, but it's more angled towards your face. And then when you're done with it, it just simply folds up just like that and stays on your phone. And as you can see, it doesn't add a lot of bulk to the phone, but it does add a lot of functionality, and it's not much taller than the camera bump itself. And it is on there really good. Again, you do not have to worry about your phone just falling off because of that really strong magnet. I would definitely recommend, if you're trying to pull this off the back of your phone, do not pull by this little piece here. Just kind of fold that up and then take your hands and just kind of pull it off just like that, or else you risk ripping this little leather piece here. And then here we have the Snap phone stand and wallet. Fits on the back of the phone really nice. Again, it does not add a lot of extra bulk to the case itself. It's just a little bit taller than the camera bump. This card holder is also made of a really nice leathery material. This case does hold up to 3 cards. You can easily access them just by pulling back on the stand like this, opening it up, and you can simply just slide your card out just like that. And like I said, it also doubles as a stand, so you can put it down into portrait mode if you want to, or you can lay it down in landscape as well. And it's also super strong. You don't have to worry about the phone just kind of falling off the wallet stand. It's stuck on there pretty good. Here we have a couple more cards we can put in here. Just like that. And then it just simply folds up just like that. And even with the 3 cards in here, you can still easily slide the card out if you need it. And then you can also use this in a landscape mode as well. If you just kind of clip it onto the back, just like this, open it up, and then you can kind of put it in a floating landscape mode, if you will. And really, with all of your credit cards and everything inside of your phone, all you really need is your ID. And you just simply put it on the back of your phone just like that. And because the magnet is so strong, when you put this in your pocket and take it out, you don't have to worry about this falling off. And you can also use this like a phone holder. If you just open this up, you can simply slide your fingers through there just like that and kind of hold your phone so you don't have to worry about it falling out of your hand. Now the question is, will it work with wireless charging? No, so you will have to take this off if you want to wirelessly charge, but it easily comes off. So that is it for Moft's cases, wallets, and stands. Again, I will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to pick these up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews for you guys. These are great options, especially if you're going to maybe go to the gym or maybe for a run where you don't need to bring your wallet and a phone. You can just simply slap one of these on the back of your phone, put your ID in there or maybe one credit card, and you're good to go. And the other really nice thing is the fact that they have really strong magnets, so you don't have to worry about them falling off when you take your phone in and out of your pocket. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.